Hey ladies, how are you? This is your girl Jay. How's everybody on this marvelous, wonderful day? Y'all see me combing her out? You see it? What? Look at my girl. Look at my girl. This is a wig that's from, let me get my invoice. That's from ebonyline.com, and it's called It's a Wig, Lace Front Wig, Lace Gala. And the color I got is NTT 2730. So this is what she looks like. She comes with some hard lace. It's like really hard lace. And she comes with, what is this? A comb right here, a comb right here in the front. And she comes with a comb in the back. And of course we have adjustable straps, which I will have to take these straps all the way over here because my head is small. So this is the lace right here. Now her parting is like, it's like this. This is her parting space right here. Now if you look at it from this side, I'm definitely gonna have to do some plucking in her middle area. You see that? I would do a little bit of parting, just I'm sorry, not parting, but a little bit of plucking on her. I can't talk today. Like, really, what's going on? So on the stock card we have this right here, and I really wanted to go for this color right here, but Juanita said that they didn't have it. So this one right here is Heather Gray. This one right here. I wanted to try her out, so I was like, let me, if she's gonna call me for a wig, so let me choose the one I really want. So I got my hands on her, y'all. So I'm gonna put the strap in here where I need it for my head, and I'm gonna try her on with the stock card and all, because I didn't bring any scissors. Let me see if I can take her off. Take this off. And I dropped her. Okay, baby, I'm so sorry, girl. I'm so sorry. Okay, look at this. She is just wonderful. She is so sweet, so wonderful. Okay, so I didn't put this strap in. So let me put this strap in. I'm having a hard time putting the strap in because I have nails. Okay, so I'm just going to try her on. Yeah, I don't have a mirror, so I can't see. I'm just basically going by the camera. So, yeah. So, where's my comb? Y'all like my comb? My comb says fabulous. Okay, so I'm basically going by the camera, but this is what she looks like so far. So what I'm gonna do is go cut this lace off, because the lace is really hard, and I'm gonna tell you it hurts right there. So it's not like a soft lace, it's really hard lace. So I'm gonna cut it off, and I'll be back. Probably pluck a little bit of this too, and I'll be back to show you what she look like. Okay, y'all, I have cut the lace off of her, and I had went on and gave her a little side part right here. I just took a little bit of hair from it, and I kind of like swooped her up to the side. If you can see all of that, that looks good right there. But I wouldn't recommend you leaving no lace on her at all, and the reason why is because she is like hard lace, and you know, having hard lace on you, I don't recommend it. But she did start shedding once I start plucking the hairline right here. But she is just oh so fabulous. She is oh so fabulous. Look at her. Let's do a close-up at her. You see her right here? You know, if you want to put her down with some got to be, you can, but I didn't. I just pretty much just wanted her to the side like that, with the little swoops. But if you want to bring her down, you can. She is so sexy. Look at this. This is sexy, and this is NTT 2730, and it's a wig lace gala. And oh my goodness, what? You can't tell me I ain't killing it, killing it, Killing it. Hey. Alright, but yes, let me show you the back of her. I don't really know her length at all, but she is really long. Let's see, let's move back a little. Yeah, she is really long, so, and she's nice and flowy. So yes, so sexy. Let's put her back behind my ear like that. Yes, she is just sexy, guys. She is what? My J babies. She is so sexy and soft. She is so, oh my goodness, she is so soft. I always wanted to try this wig, y'all, and I finally did. Thank you, God. Thank you. Of course, I could have bought her, you know, myself, but I really wanted to try her. And I mean, if I can get her, I'm gonna get her. I really like the way the wig is constructed. I like the fact that I can do a couple of styles with her. Oh my, look at this. Sexy. So yes, y'all, this wig is very affordable. I will put down all of the links to this wig right here, and she is beautiful. I mean, get your life on. Look at her. What? Get your life on. Now, this wig was sent to me, but it's not a sponsored video. You know, a sponsored video like collabs and stuff like that. It's like if you're getting paid for a video to review a wig, and I'm not being paid to review her. I wanted her bad, so I was like, okay, sure, fine, I will do the video because I really did want her bad. And I did want it in the heather gray, but because they didn't have it, this was my second choice. So I love it. ebonyline.com. You really did your thing on this wig. I mean, she is so soft. She is, oh my goodness, she is just so soft and so sexy. You can't tell me. You can't tell me she ain't sexy, because I already know she's sexy. You know, even if you want to like back comb her and put her up some more, she is, what? Girl, I ain't even bring my comb over here. But she is just not even low key, y'all. She is sexy. Ain't no low key in it. She is just sexy. You can get your life on for real. If you want to like put some baby hairs down, you can. I didn't want no more baby hairs down. I just wanted her to be like, look, you can even bring her, look, you can't even tell. Look at this. You know, if you want to put your little baby hairs down, you can, but I didn't want no baby hairs. But she is just like, what? Y'all tell me what y'all think about this wig. What about the color? Y'all like the color? Look how vibrant she is. Ah, yes. I can't wait till Big Daddy get home so he can be able to see. No, actually, I'm going to send him a video so he can be able to see it himself. He can be like, that color is like fabulous on you. So yes, I don't know what else to say about this wig because I just put her on. So this is basically we could say a showing or unboxing. Well, not really unboxing because I unboxed her already, but it's basically like that. So I will come back with a review on her because I could not wait to wear her. I really wanted to wear her, and I had her like probably a week, y'all, and I was like, I really want to wear her. I really want to wear her. So I was like, let me go ahead on and get it out, and the ends of it is beautiful. Like I said, I will put everything, all the links to her down in the description bar. I will put it where as though you can just push on it and it'll take you right to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wig. Ebony Line, thank you so much for sending me her because I really appreciated her and I really did need her and I really did want her so bad. So thank you for contacting me, reaching out to your girl and letting her know that she can review this beautiful wig, and I'm so super excited. Y'all know I'm honest with y'all about these reviews when it comes down to hair. If it's doo-doo, I'm gonna tell you it's doo-doo, but this wig is thumbs up, 2 thumbs up on this wig. If y'all like this wig, comment, I would say comment, like the comment, Ajax comment, but anyway, comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell. As a matter of fact, smash it twice because YouTube is tripping on far as taking your views and far as taking your subscribers and far as having people to smash that notification bell. So smash it. When you smash it 2 times for your girl. Smash it, J baby. Alright, y'all already know what I like to say. Look at, oh, she's sexy. And not that, but I'm just saying. Be relaxed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.